Hello student, today we are going to learn what will be the output resistance of opamp. Now how to calculate this is your inverting amplifier and this is the way biasing has been given. This is VCC, this is the input voltage. Feedback is 10k and 1k. Now we are giving the input of, see the input, we are giving 1 volt and 1k frequency. This is the input we are giving. Now we have kept the R same way. Now if you keep the R around 300 ohm, then check the output. If you check the output will be around 10 volt. It must be means mine. If you see the input also, input is 1 volt and output minus 10 volt. We must get because R2 by R1 minus R2 by R1 is minus 10. That is why we are getting the gain 10. But suppose if we keep the output around 130 ohm resistance, we are changing the output resistance 130 ohm. And if we look at the output, we are not going to get it's around 5 volt, means our output voltage got decreased. This is the input and this is the output we are going to get. Around 5 volt we are getting, means our 10 volt voltage got divided because of this 130 ohm resistor. Now it means somehow we by hit and trial we got that 130 ohm is our will be the internal resistance of op-amp, because then only if suppose internal resistance is around 130 ohm and this is 130 ohm, then only our output was 10. This got divided by R2, means this got divided by 2. That's why we are getting 5. Now we want to make it parameter. Suppose we want to make it R, means we need to change this. Make curly bracket, put R, again make curly bracket, and now you define that step param. Now if you see, if you change this one, a dot op, if you take it from here, dot op, if you write this is the spice directive. Now write dot step param is parameter. Which parameter are, you are going to change it from 30 to 300 ohm and with the increment of 50 ohm. First it will take 30 ohm, then 80, then 130, then one accordingly it will take. Now we have get this one step. Now we are running this one. If you run this one, we check the output. Now it will show this output. The green color will be of 30 ohm, blue color will be because it is increasing in this manner. 30 ohm, 80 ohm, 130 ohm. If see around 130 ohm, we got 5 volt voltage. So by this method we got to know where our voltage is getting decreased. If you see at around 10 ohm, 30 ohm and 80 ohm output is even lesser than 5 ohm, because all the voltage is being taken over here only. Here output resistance is less. Now when it became equal, the all voltage got divided. Now when it is greater than this, the voltage start increasing. So by this method we find the output resistance of op-amp, and somehow if we connect a load of around less than 130 ohm, our output will decrease. So this was all about the how to calculate the output resistance of a op amp.